Next part is how to create our first Python program. Already created the file. So let me write a simple question here that we have to solve. So write a program. Write a program to enter two values or two numbers from user and print addition of them. Okay, this is what we have to do. So this is a question. Write a program to enter two numbers from user and print addition of them. So we have to get two values from user. For getting two values, what we can do, we use input function that we already know, that is input. I want to enter a message, enter first number. Okay, this will print this message. When you get the first value, it will be assigned into A. We are going to do the same thing for B as well. For the second value, enter second number. Okay, this will give you second number. And now what I have to do is I have to print the addition. For addition, you can use another variable and write A plus B. Simple. And at the end, we are going to print the value of C. This way, we just print the print statement. Okay, or print the addition of both of them. Okay, when you run this, it will show you enter first value. That example, this is, for example, this is 10. Okay, when you press enter, 10 will be assigned into 8 and print the second message. So now if the other value is 20, for example, if I press enter, this will be assigned into B and the output is 1020. So now this is the problem. Now what we have to do is we have to check why this happened. It will return 1020. Why this is happening? Because when you enter any number from user or you get any value from user, it is always in the form of string. For example, if you print type of A, what will be the output? str. What will be the type of B? It is also str. So what we have to do is we have to convert these string values into integer. After that, and after that only, we are going to add those two values. Right now, it is returning the concatenation of both of these string. But what we need the addition of them. So I am using the same function here, same program here. What we are going to do is when we get the value from user, we will pass this into int function. This will convert this string into integer and will be assigned into A. I will do the same with this particular value. Okay, so these two values will be converted into integers. Integers will be assigned into B and that's it. Though both the values will be integer, when you run this, the output will be like this, 10 and 20, the output will be 30. But if you want to print the same thing with a message, so what can you write? You write this, as you already know, comma separated value. Addition is equals to this. Addition is equals to this. If you run this, 10, then 20, addition is equals to 30. That's it. This is how you create your first function or first program in Python. Let me write some questions here. Questions. Okay. So questions is first question. Write a program to enter two values from user or two numbers from user, you can say two numbers from user and print addition, subtraction multiplication, and division. Okay, so you have to perform all those operations over those two values you are getting from the user. This is your first question. Okay, so this is the only question, not the first question. This is the only question you have to solve, and that's it. Try by yourself.